Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I'll show you how to do a pie chart on Google Sheet. Here I already opened my Google Sheet. This is my data. This is just in an example data, and then I want to make a pie chart according to this A, B, C, D, and E, and then this random number. So I drag this my array, my table, and then click insert, and then you can click chart here. After that, automatically it will be pie chart because my data is typically or commonly doing for a pie chart. But if you don't, if you didn't happen the pie chart, you just click this chart type and then find pie chart on the below. For example, this donut chart, and then this 3D pie chart, and so on. Also, you can customize your pie chart. For example, the donut hole, the 0, or I can make 75% like this, just like a ring. And then pie slice, also you can edit the color of pie slice. For example, I want to change the B data into this purple color. It's really good, right? And then after that, I can add chart subtitle. For example, this is the subtitle, and then see, this is the subtitle. Also, I can add chart title. This is title. Now it's good. Now this is my pie chart or ring chart actually, and then I think it's easy to follow. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you. Bye.